やってきました。これが自分が行きたかったサッカークラブのグラウンドです。チェルシーでございます。みんな知ってると思うんだけど、今ね、せっかく友達前にいるんだけど、友達と一応ちょっと来て、で今からね、スタジアムグラウンドツアーとミュージアムちょっとツアーに行きます。これやばいよ。マジで行きたかった。人生一回行きたかった。これ十何年チェルシーファンで、これ行けなかったらもう最悪だと思ってやってきたよ。これはイギリス、思い出すわ、死ぬまで。これやばい。これ本当に行きたかった。チェルシー、うわーすげえ、やばい。これがね、ちょっとね、横から入ったんだけど、最初は前から行ってちょっと写真だけ撮って、で今ねチケットを買いに行くんで、チケットを買いに行ってきたらちょっとまたお話しします。ここでしょ。すげえ、いや痛い。これめっちゃいいね。いや今ね、彼女がいろいろ説明してくれるみたいで、ここでね、いやすげえスタジアム。
Alright guys, what do we think of the stadium? Nice? Yeah? Quite small? Yeah. A lot of blue? Yeah. Alright, so the capacity of our stadium is just under 41,000. It is much smaller in comparison to our rivals, like the Emirates Stadium. That's about 60,000. Wembley Stadium is about 80,000. However, we are thinking of extending our stadium in the near future, but that's something I will tell you later on the tour how we're going to be doing that. First of all, I want to get to know you guys a bit more. I want to know where you guys come from and what team you guys support. If there's anyone that supports Arsenal or Man United, I'm going to have to call security. How about here guys? Where are we from?
We are in Kent actually.
Kent. Okay, local.
And my mum and dad are die-hard supporters.
Die-hard,
Mother's even got
great.
the tattoo.
Oh wow,
It's
lovely.
the old tattoo.
랑카이키양 인내면 해줘봐니기야. 해먹기양 해보든 뭐기양 말아봐. 그러네.
Season ticket. Yeah, it's quite a bit journey. Yeah, especially on a match day. Yeah.
2人参加してます。友達もいるし、今ねいろいろ説明してくれるみたい。すげえな。人生初これ目で見た。
Alright, welcome guys.
フィス上げやでね。これですよ。これ。でね、彼女がね、説明しながらちょっとね、いろいろ回ります。
Usually our managers sit. So we have Enzo Maresco, our current manager. But we've had some great legends also been up here signing the contracts. Drogba, Frank Lampard, Peter Cech, John Vialli. Some amazing players have also been up here. We no longer sign up our places. Does anyone know where our training ground is?
これ本物ですよ。
Cobham, yes. That is now where our players sign off as well. So they sign the shirt. The only exception we had was Neto. He was the only player that signed off here. Besides that, all the other ones like Reece James, Sterling, Palmer, they all signed off in Cobham. The reason being, the players, they don't sit in number order. They actually sit in friendship groups or language groups. So usually the international Brazilian, Portuguese would sit here. The English speaking would sit usually here. And if we notice guys, we have a women's shirt here. So I don't know if you guys are aware of the women's team. Anyone aware of the women's team?
Enzo.
No? So for those of us that don't know, the women's team play very well. They are one of the best women's team in the Premier League.
Yeah.
And they have won every trophy but the Champions League.
But yesterday was lost.
Yes, yesterday was a loss. Hopefully we can pick up with the women.
Yeah.
So just looking over here, we have two James' shirts, guys. Why do we have two James shirts? Brother and sister, yeah.
Reece James.
Reece James.
Same.
I'm very happy to so we are still on the match day. This is Chelsea, this is Real Madrid. So pick your sides, guys, take all your belongings with you and follow me. Dos filas.
Chelsea. Chelsea. うん？
Sorry, guys.
上の方に行きます。タミヤブラウン。Hari kiwa ne members ලාට මොකද සීන් එකක් කිව්වනේ. ෂේ නගしてる. තියාගෝ සිල්ලා. Ah.屋上すっげえまだ上まで行けるけどね、ここは途中でこんな感じでございます。ここがねスワニアショップです。いろいろ買えるみたいですね。こういう感じで。すっげえ。めっちゃ広くね、これ。これある。これも欲しいなと思うんですけどね。気づいたらなんかあれだけど、ちょっとね。傷つくとちょっとあれだけど、だったらね、欲しいなと思うものいっぱいあるね。子供やワンちゃんや全部ある。全部結構セールのものもあるみたいですね。こういう感じです。